Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating or signing into your Microsoft account, and you verify both email and phone so nothing blocks points. Once done, install Microsoft Edge and make it your default browser so searches count automatically. Make sure to enable daily email and mobile app notifications. These surface short quizzes and offers you can complete fast. Do these steps immediately because they unlock the simplest earning routes and reduce friction when you move on to routine point collection. Now you focus on the core routine. Do your daily search goals on both PC and mobile, since each device gives additional points across web and image searches. Once done, tackle the Microsoft Rewards quizzes, daily polls, and dashboard offers. Prioritize quick multiple-choice tasks first to boost points per minute. Make sure to space searches and activities across the day to avoid hitting caps, and use the Edge collections or the app checklist to track completed tasks and remaining opportunities. Finish by redeeming points regularly for gift cards or sweepstakes so value does not sit unused. Check expiry and conversion rates before you exchange. If points fail to appear, sync your account across devices and clear the browser cache, because stale sessions often block crediting. When problems persist, review your rewards activity history, note exact timestamps, and contact Microsoft support with those details. This troubleshooting step resolves most issues and keeps your earning momentum intact.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.